So, we all know Das Machina. Anybody that's seen the streams knows that she's been our go-to streaming computer. And as great of a computer as she is, I thought she needed a bit of an upgrade. So, in comes the Enthoo Pro Tempered Glass Edition. So, I was looking around for a new case. I absolutely fell in love with this one. This one is made by Phanteks, the Enthoo Pro. This is a tempered glass edition, and it's also a special edition one with a white internal. At least it's supposed to be. Hopefully they didn't send me the wrong one. And this thing is massive. This thing came in on the shipping label as 34 pounds. And there, as you can tell, is not much foam inside of here. Now comes the fun part of actually trying to get cases out of the box. Be very careful because this is a tempered glass edition and they brought it in sideways. Oh, this white is beautiful in here. So this is a black external with a tempered tinted glass and white internals. This is also an RGB edition. And it came with RGB halo fans. Nice I/O hidden in the front behind a panel, as well as 2 drive bays. The one thing that is kind of nice, when I'm not using screws like I always do, is the door swings open as opposed to a lot of the other ones that will just come completely off. And you can also remove the hinges if you want to get more room and get the glass off while you're working on it. Those are in the back behind here. Pull that accessories box out. See what kind of accessories came with it. Now this is supposed to come with the Phanteks halo fans, which are actually going to create the RGB effect to work with Aura. Got our user manual, RMA request, and all of our screws. And that's actually really nice that they put all the screws individually packaged. That's very nice. More cable ties for your cable management. And this is probably what actually don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. So we're going to put it back. So now that we've seen inside in the front, where we've got our nice 2 for SSDs, you can place them right in there. And I like the slide on them. You just slide them on. Close the glass up. Just 1 screw will be fine. And let's take a look on the other side where our cable management's going to be. You can see the black and white. I always lose screws. On the other side, all of our cable management. So nice little ties already put in for fans. everything. And 6 drive bays. They're nice, easy remove. And when you want to slide them on in. And another couple slots for SSDs. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this, on the Phanteks Enthoo Pro Special Edition. So now we're just going to get Das Machina moved from her tiny old shell, and like a beautiful butterfly will sprout into this large, oversized, break any wires, new full ATX.